Hello, it's Sharon here from Cotton Pod. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet a simple I-cord. You can crochet an I-cord in one colour, but in this tutorial I'm going to use two colours because I like the effect of the two colours for this particular project, and it helps me to show you more clearly what's going on with your stitches. So I'm using 2 strands of an Aran weight yarn and a 4mm hook. So we're going to start with a slip knot on your hook. And for the sake of this video, we're going to call the turquoise yarn, yarn A, and we're going to call the red yarn, yarn B. You're going to start by having your tail to the right hand side and your working yarn to the left, and you're going to separate out your 2 working yarns. And you're going to yarn over from front to back with yarn B, and then with yarn A you're going to take that from back to front and yarn over, and then you're going to pull yarn A through all the loops on the hook. So we take yarn B from the front to the back and yarn A from the back to the front and pull our loop through. Yarn B from the front to the back, yarn A from back to front. Yarn over and through, yarn over and through. We continue like so until you have a cord of your desired length. When your cord is the length you want it to be, simply cut the yarn, yarn over and pull both shades through the loop on the hook, pulling your tails right the way through. And there is your completed I-cord.